For how many years does the human brain continue to grow? Correct answer is option C, 25 years. How many muscles are there in the human body? Correct answer is option C, 639 muscles. Which is the second largest planet in our solar system? Correct answer is option A, Saturn. Which is the most coldest ocean in the world? Correct answer is option D, Southern Ocean. Which instrument is used to measure the temperature of the sun? Correct answer is option C, pyrometer. What is the resolution of the human eye? Correct answer is option A, 576 megapixel. Which animal never makes any sound? Correct answer is option B, giraffe. What is the time taken by sunlight to reach Earth? Correct answer is option B, 500 seconds. How many bones are there in the human body? Correct answer is option B, 206.